What is the new procedure regarding restrictions on the possibility of asylum seekers to work in Israel according to geographical areas? Hi, my name is Joshua Pex. I'm an Israeli immigration lawyer. In the last few months, we've heard of a new procedure of the Israeli Immigration Office, the Minister of Interior, regarding restrictions on the geographical areas where asylum seekers can work in Israel. First of all, who are the asylum seekers? We're talking about a total of about 30,000 persons here in Israel. Most of them, about 2/3, are from Eritrea. You also have Sudanese and those from other countries. They entered Israel crossing the border. According to the Israeli immigration, they're considered infiltrators, but they did come into Israel, apply for asylum, and they got the possibility to work. They also got a visa, or at least a permit to stay in Israel. It was supposed to be temporary, but many of them are here for 10 years. And in the meantime, according to the Israeli Supreme Court, they did get a possibility to work. Obviously, they need to take care of themselves. So until now, they could work without restrictions, but at the end of June 2022, we heard of a new procedure that says that asylum seekers cannot work in certain towns and also in certain areas or different jobs. So basically the purpose of this new procedure was to sort of scatter the asylum seekers around more in Israel. Many of them are around the Tel Aviv area, so you have a list of more than 20 cities where they will not be able to work anymore. Most, like I said, around Tel Aviv, but also in Eilat, Netanya, Ashdod. There are several exceptions regarding areas and jobs that they can still keep on working. Usually it has to do with places that Israelis don't usually work, like caretaking or hotels or agriculture. And there are also different exceptions. For example, asylum seekers above the age of 60 or those that have minor children that they have to take care of. These were exceptions to the procedure. Anyway, we heard that the procedure was supposed to take effect at the 1st of October, which is really in just a few days. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it already passed. But not long ago, we heard that the procedure was postponed until the beginning of 2023. And in Israel, by then there will be another elections, like maybe you're following, and even the procedure, the law could change or it could be postponed again, so we don't know. Also, against this new procedure, there has been petitions to the Israeli High Court of Justice by human rights organizations, so we will keep you updated on any developments in the law in this area. Thank you for listening, and as always, if you have any questions, please contact us.